What's going on, traders? Welcome to today's live trading recap, and I got a good one here for you in this video because today, guys and gals, I'm going to show you something that I've never done before, and that is to trade a symbol that I've never traded before. Okay, and yep, you guessed it, folks, the symbol that I decided to trade and have some fun with today was the Dow Jones. Okay, because it's my mission and my goal to prove to you guys and gals out there that trading volume can work on any symbol, any asset class across the board. All right, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. As always, it is great to be with you. Today is Thursday, May 16th of 2024. And as you can see from this headline, folks, this is what everybody is talking about today, right? The Dow finally tops 40,000 even, which is not only a record for the American stock market, but also is something that has left a lot of people in disbelief, right? I mean, can you even imagine how many people have been trying to short the market this year and they've gotten their faces chopped off because they don't know how to trade trend? And speaking of trend, let's head back over to the charts, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action of the Dow. If you trade futures, your symbol is YM, and if you trade forex, your symbol is US30, right? I watched both of them today, and both of them were simply spectacular. And what I learned from trading the Dow today is this is actually a symbol that I'm going to start watching and maybe even attempting to start trading on a daily basis instead of what I did today, which is a one-off basis. And the reason that the Dow looks very attractive to me is it's because it's kind of in the sweet spot of symbols to trade, right? It's not as crazy volatile as the NASDAQ, and it's not as choppy as the S&P. You know what I mean? And above all else, guys and gals, the Dow really responds well to volume. Okay, I mean, it appears to be really, really effective. All right, let me show you what I mean. So if we take a look at the early part of the day, you can kind of see here the volume does turn green here, and I kind of wish that there was some sort of pullback for me to enter this beautiful rip on the Dow, but there wasn't. All right, at least not for me. So if you were a vol color change trader, then absolutely this would have been your long signal right there, and good for you. You basically nailed 150 ticks straight up. All right, and yes, I know there was a nice, beautiful retracement right here that would have also worked pretty well, but you guys know how I feel about these late trades, right? I do not believe in taking trades that are late to the party. If I'm going to trade a retracement, it's got to come early in the trend cycle, and it's got to show up exactly like it did here on this beautiful short that I took this morning. All right, take a look at my entry. I got filled at 125 on the Dow. I actually don't know if that was a good fill or a bad fill because I'm not familiar with the spread just yet on the Dow. But for me personally, I do not care, right? When the volume shifts from green into red, as it did right there at that exact moment in time, I'm going to be playing it short, man. I don't care what anybody else is saying or what's happening on TV or in the world. I'm just going to be following volume. That is why I pounced on this gorgeous short retracement. And you can see right here, folks, I was able to take profits on the first half of my trade. I think I was able to bag 25 ticks. All right, so it's not a lot, but I'll take it because the Dow was trending really nicely during the course of this trade. And if I can make anything, even if it's 10 to 15 ticks, I'll take it, right? But more importantly, folks, the second half of my trade, as everybody knows, this is the money bag. This is where we make the majority of our profits. You can see right there, I was able to bag about 75 ticks on the second half of my trade for a really nice overall profitable trading day today. And I think, guys and gals, in case anybody's wondering, I think on the Dow it is $5 a tick, but what I like about the Dow is there's no decimal point after the number the way that you would see it on the NASDAQ or the S&P. It's just a nice, clean, round number. Yes, I could have probably squeezed more out of this downtrend, but listen, guys, I'll take my 75 ticks. It was a brand new symbol to trade today. And if you've never looked at the Dow before, I think this symbol might be worth your while, especially if you're using it to trade volume. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.